Hi dear friends, we have a product named Faircoat Decor. Faircoat Decor is a smooth, decorative and anti-carbonation coating for the protection of interior and exterior surfaces with exceptional weathering characteristics. The benefits of using Faircoat Decor are discussed as under. It has excellent bond with concrete substrates and forms a flexible film. It is a single pack and brush applied product. Faircoat Decor has excellent waterproofing coating with gap bridging properties. It allows the substrate to breathe. Faircoat Decor is non-toxic, non-flammable and economical. Faircoat Decor provides a smooth, decorative, durable coating for concrete and masonry surfaces like big commercial buildings, public places, residential buildings, etc. Faircoat Decor is a ready-to-use aliphatic elastomeric based coating containing special polymers and fillers. Faircoat Decor has been specially designed for the decoration and protection of concrete as well as for the plaster surfaces. Faircoat Decor has excellent adhesion to the substrates and thus it cures to form a flexible film that allows the surface to breathe and acts as a carbon dioxide barrier, thus protecting the concrete in aggressive weather conditions. It has excellent gap bridging ability which does not age with time and forms an extremely durable film. Priming is required for Faircoat Decor. The process is discussed as under. On old or porous surfaces, ensure that the substrate is sound and then dilute 2 parts of Faircoat Decor to 1 part of water and prime the surface. For best results, WaterGuard Liquid Membrane White may be applied as primer. The application of Faircoat Decor is as under. Stir the material in the container thoroughly and then spread it evenly with a brush, roller or airless spray. Avoid application during rainy weather. In hot, dry weather, dampen the unpainted surfaces with water to prevent Faircoat Decor drying out too rapidly. The surface texture and porosity must be taken into account while estimating the quantities. Once the application is done, you will see that it comes out with a very good matte, smooth and uniform surface finish. Faircoat Decor is available in 1, 5 and 20 kg bucket with the coverage of 4 to 5 meter square per kg per 2 coats with the recommended thickness of DFT 200 micron. If you have any queries regarding this, please do not hesitate to reach us. Thank you.